This is lemon bars. For this recipe I am using 260 grams plain flour with 250 grams sugar, just a bit of salt, 85 milliliters lemon juice with 10 grams lemon zest, 4 eggs and 300 grams butter. This is a really nice soft slice that you can try with a nice glaze. So let's start doing it. Into a mixing bowl with the paddle attachment, add the lemon zest and the butter and mix well. After, add the sugar and make sure not to whisk the eggs or mix this on a high speed. It needs to be mixed on a very low speed. Now into the butter add the flour bit by bit, and after add the lemon juice. Instead of lemon juice, if you can't find lemon or if it is not in season, you can always add lime or orange juice. After add the eggs. The reason why I am adding the eggs after, not to overmix and whisk the eggs, so it will combine all together after. Now I am going to add the salt and mix this on the lower speed on your mixer about 1 minute. So it is ready. Use a spatula and scrape down the ends, and I'm using 8 by inch cake pan. You can use a small flat cake pan too if you want, or a brownie pan, and pour this in and then spread it nice and even. This goes to the oven 180 about 20 minutes. The lemon cake is ready, so I'm going to take it out, and now let's do an icing on top. For that I'm going to use 1.5 cups full icing sugar. Put it into a bowl. The icing sugar has to be soft, if not you have to put it through a sieve. So after, squeeze about a tablespoon lemon juice into that and mix it well until it becomes soft and creamy. So I mix the icing sugar, and the consistency has to be like this, just enough to spread on the cake or slice. So slowly spread it over the cake using a spatula. Spread it nice and even and leave it to set again about half an hour to 1 hour. I spread the icing, and after I put some icing sugar into a strainer and dusted that too, so it will look nice too. So I'm going to leave it to cool down, completely set about 1 hour. The slice is ready, and I left it overnight to set, so then it becomes hard on the top. So make sure that you cut it really carefully, if not it can break. You need to use a serrated knife and then cut it in the middle and cut the slice according to the size that you wish to have. So I cut the ends, and then I cut that into large squares, and then again to a triangle. So it's up to you to cut according to the size and the shape that you wish. To get the recipe and the tips, visit culinarycorner.net, and thank you for watching.